From the miracles of the Prophet ﷺ, or the prophecies he gave us about what was going to happen. And one of them that nobody talks about, but is something so beautiful and so evident, is the authentic hadith. Ibn Majah has it in his Sunan, Imam Ahmad in his Musnad, Al-Bayhaqi and Hakim, Shaykh Albani, Ibn Hajar Asqalani, classic scholars said it's authentic. The Prophet ﷺ said, from the signs of the Day of Judgment will be from my ummah will be people that will be drinking alcohol, changing its name, as we see it today. But listen to the rest of the hadith. The Prophet ﷺ said, ala ru'usihim, on their heads will be ma'azif, will be musical instruments. That means music will be playing on their heads. Subhanallah, in the time of the Prophet ﷺ, the Sahaba could not have imagined that. To listen to music, you'd have to go to a place where there are musicians with instruments sitting and playing. But now, look at this. With headphones, with VR goggles, we are taking that ma'azif, that musical, everywhere we go, music's playing literally on our heads, exactly how the hadith mentions. And may Allah protect us from a disease we see today. Everywhere you go, people got headphones, they don't listen to anybody, playing music day and night, letting that affect their mind. May Allah protect us.